can be me. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know, long time no here, as per usual. But as y'all can see from the caption, it is that time of year again, y'all. It is a Samsung Galaxy unboxing. And as you guys also can see from the caption, that I will be unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra Plus, and this is what's gonna be a first, that I'm gonna be unboxing a Galaxy watch. So I decided to get the Galaxy 4 Classic, and y'all, normally I'm not into the watches, but I just had to get this one. It was talking to me, and especially because I have this new job and everybody has a watch. So I was like, let me be a little copycat. And this also came in the perfect time because my birthday's coming up. So this is an early gift to myself. And well, not really a gift to myself because somebody technically bought this. But you know, y'all get the clue. So if you guys like what you're hearing so far, how about subscribing? How about hitting that like button? And how about leaving me a comment down below? Because trust me, I have some goodies in store in this video and you guys don't want to miss it. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, but before we get into the video, first things first. So everybody knows I have the Samsung Galaxy 21 Ultra, and you guys know I did a phone case haul. So with that being said, if anybody is getting the S21 Ultra or has the 21 Ultra and you guys are in need of cases, please leave me a comment down below. I'm giving away all these cases to this phone. I'm actually trading in this phone. That's how I got this new phone. And I'm not going to need those 21 Ultra cases anymore. So, and this is first come, first serve. And I'm going to say this again, first come, first serve. Anybody who wants these cases, please DM me, or if you want a specific case, I will gladly send it to you free of charge. This is my way of saying I love you guys, like I've done with previous phones. I want to give away the cases. You know, this is my way of someone giving back to you guys for all the love and support you guys show me on these type of videos and just support in general. So if you guys want any of those cases, please DM me. If you want a specific case, DM me. And whatever I have left, if you hit me too late, you will get whatever I have left. So if you guys want those cases, please let me know and I will gladly send them wherever you are. And also, we need to talk about a very special partnership I am now a part of, and that is with SugarDaddyMeat.com. Y'all, it is one of the top leading websites with over 5 million active members, and I want to give a huge shout out to, I believe his name was Spencer. He reached out to me because he said he loved my channel and he wanted to work with me. So this video is partnered with SugarDaddyMeat.com, and as you guys can see from the video showing, you guys can sign up, and I will have a link down below that you click on it. If you click on that, you will be helping me out, and make sure to let them know that Simone sent you. Oh, and also you guys, before we even get into the phone, I actually got a case. And this case is from Velvet Caviar. I haven't shot with them in a long time, but I was like, you guys know I always buy that one case before all my real cases come in. So I had to get this one, you guys. I thought it was so cute. And if you follow me on Instagram, I think you kind of already seen it. But if you didn't, I don't mind showing it again. So it came in like this real like little cute packaging. As you guys can see, it says Velvet Caviar. I love their new little packaging, and I can actually use this as a travel makeup bag. But I did get this super pretty case, you guys. And I know you guys love when I show the case. But look how pretty that is. I love the little gold piece, and I just love the marble look. You guys know I'm always for a good marble case. And I love that it protects the whole phone. So if you drop this, it's not going anywhere. And I've always said that if you want a good protective pretty case, go with Velvet Caviar. I think they are amazing. I love their cases. And also I got the little what's some things, the pops, are they called pop sockets? But I got the little thing with the little key ring. It's the matching one. Let me see if you guys can see that. But I did get the matching one too as well, and I needed it because when I be watching TV, I don't always feel like holding it or propping it against stuff. So I was like, I'll splurge and get the little stopper thing. And then also they gave me some really cute stickers. I am going to actually put these, well, not all of them, but like 2 of these on my phone case because I thought it was really cute. And I don't think it's going to take away from the actual pretty part of the case, but I think I might put this one and then this one on. But we'll see. So I had to get a case, y'all. I wouldn't be me. So as soon as I go get my phone activated, this is going in. But I was like, let me show the case first because I think you guys would really love to see the case. But yeah, now let's actually get into the phone. Okay, y'all, so I know y'all like, girl, we do not care about what you talking about. We just care about the goods. So I literally received this package today, you guys. I'm so freaking excited. Oh, about to turn my fingers up. So they give you like this like little weird thank you note. Y'all, I can't believe they really packed this in this weird paper again. They always do this. You don't care about that. Dream, no, you cannot eat the paper. Oh yeah, Dream's here, you guys. He's trying to eat the paper, and I'm like, no, sir. Oop. They was not playing. Jesus. Okay, we finally got to the goods. So we have the actual Samsung watch. Let me show you guys this first. This is the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. I got it in all black. I kind of really wanted the silver one, but I was like, no, let me keep it all black because I heard I could switch out the band. But this is what that looks like. And then we have the actual phone. This box is actually thinner than the last one. I can definitely say that. But look at that, you guys. So cute. Okay, where did my scissors go? I swear I could lose my ass if it's not attached to me. Let's see. And let's cut this open. All right. So I'm trying to show you guys off while I'm trying to open this. Oh, this is pretty. Okay. So as you guys can see, this is the actual phone. It's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. This is cute. You guys see that? It actually does look like the old school Notes when the Note first really came out. Now, the only thing about this phone, I was kind of hesitant about getting this because I'm not into the, I'm not going to say I'm not into the Note series. I don't like having the pen. I wish that they could have sold the pen separately so I could have had that option, would have got it a little bit more cheaper. But I get it, but I really wish this time they could have been optional with the S Pen, like they was optional with the S Pen for the S22 Ultra. So I'm not going to ever use this, but I'll probably show you guys once I do the what's on my phone video. But I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is where the actual S Pen is. This is the speaker, and then, you know, where you put your little phone stuff, and then the charger. And I'm mad that they want to be optional with the charger, but won't be optional with the S Pen. Ain't that some fuck shit? And then I guess you click it and then the little S Pen comes out. I'm not going to ever use this. I'm not. I barely use the S Pen for my tablet, so I'm not going to use this. But like I said, you never know. Things could change. Because I am always taking notes at work, and when you work at a courthouse, you're always taking notes. So I might actually use it, you never know. But I love the camera on this. Look at the camera, y'all. And I love that it doesn't have the bulk like the 21 Ultra does. Like, you know how they have like that little, here's the comparison. How they have like the little thick part coming out for the camera. I like that it's just smooth, and I like this part better than what's on the 21 Ultra. But as far as size comparison, they look kind of the same, but I think the 21, the 22 is actually a little bit bigger. But I actually like this. This is cute. I actually like this more than I actually thought I would. So that's a first. And as you can see in the box, you get the same little booklet. Wait, do we get a charger? Hold on now. Don't threaten me with a good time. Because I already bought a charger, but... Oh no, it does come with a charger. Because I thought a bitch was going to have to buy one. But it comes with a charger. Then, you know, it comes with the little key. And then it comes with the pamphlet that nobody really cares about. So, yeah, that's pretty much all that comes inside the box. Okay, on to new business. So let's get to the actual watch. Oh, okay. Oh, here we go. I'm like, did they already take the sticker off? Okay. Dreamy, mommy got a Galaxy watch. Oh, this. Okay. We don't care about that right now. Ooh, y'all, look at the watch though. I got the biggest one. You know, I'm a flashy bitch. Like, I had to get the biggest one. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna actually have. Is that a camera? Oh snap! It's snap! If y'all hear somebody moving around, that's Dream. But y'all look at that. I actually thought it was gonna be just a tad bit bigger, but that's fine. I don't know why I keep thinking like screens are supposed to be bigger than what they are, but this is what it looks like. That is so cute. I cannot wait to get this set up this weekend when I go out to Richmond. So let's see what comes in the little box. Oh, you actually get another charger. Yay! Okay. Side note, I'm secretly in love with having chargers, and I don't like always having to pay for one, and I'm kind of mad I actually bought another charger. Stop trying to get a storyline. Go. Don't have me beat you on camera because then people won't try to call CPS on me. Anywho, but this is, oh, this is cute. This is the actual charger, you guys. Like, you can lay it on the, oh, that is so cute. I like that. Oh my God, that's actually really freaking adorable. That's so cute. But what's so crazy is I just bought this charger. I gotta show it to you guys. You can literally place your watch, your phone, and your AirPods all at the same time and charge it. I don't know if you guys seen it, but I'm gonna have it like right here. I actually bought this. I'm waiting for this to come in, but I actually bought that. And then I also bought some AirPods, but they're Beats. They're actually coming in the mail. Because at work, I'm not really allowed to have headphones on, but I've noticed all the clerks. Okay, so I work at the courthouse, right? So a lot of the time I'm in court all day, and sometimes I don't understand what the fuck they be talking about. Or when I'm walking around, I can't have my big headphones, so I decided to purchase the earpods because you can actually just cover it with your hair because you're not really even supposed to have your phone on the like when you're out there, but everybody always has their watch on, or, you know, they still do have their phone and their AirPods in their ear. So I bought all this due to my job. So, yeah, because y'all know I'm not the most techiest person. So for me to buy all this, y'all know it has to be a reason. So, short story. But, yeah, so when that comes in, I'll definitely do an unboxing on that. I wanted to do an unboxing of everything all together, but I didn't want to make y'all wait this long. And I actually got to have my 21 Ultra turned in by a certain time. So, yeah. But that's all that I have. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, even though it's a little bit all over the place, but then that's typical Simone behavior. So if you guys did like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to subscribe. Help your girl out. We're trying to get to 1,000 and more. And make sure to stay tuned for what's on my S22 Ultra. And I will be doing phone case videos. So whenever the phone cases drop, you guys will be definitely seeing that. So I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm about to go relax now, and I love you guys, and I will definitely see you guys in my next future videos. All right, bye you guys.